Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video we are opening the Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop floral sticker advent calendar and the luxury advent calendar. So the floral advent calendar comes in two packages. You get days 1 through 13 and 14 through 25. The luxury advent is 5x7 seasonal themed sticker sheets, and there are, I do believe, 12 envelopes in here. Jojo says this is her best one yet. I loved last year's. It was one of my favorite advents, so I don't know about that. She made me rip one of her really pretty floral stickers to open this. That's not fair, Joe. It's not. Okay. So, yep, we gotta do it twice. So we're gonna start with the smaller sheets, and then we will open the luxury one. I was gonna do this in two videos, but I think I'm just gonna do it in one. It is worth noting that she does not want she does not want us to open them all at once on social media to keep the surprise for people who are opening it daily. So if you are opening it daily, and if I am putting this up before Christmas Day, this is your chance. Please turn off the video. You can come back and watch it later if you want and see what I thought of the stickers. But it is going to spoil the entire thing for you if you stick around. So this is your final warning. If you don't want to see everything that is in here and you are opening it daily, please come back and watch this video after Christmas. Okay, here we go. You turn away if you don't want to see it. This is day 1. And we've got pretty peachy colored florals. Those are very pretty. Just want to make sure nothing's stuck in there. Nope, nothing's stuck in there. Okay. Day 2. Black and white florals. Very pretty. I feel like we can come down more for this one. We don't have a giant box we have to deal with here. Okay, we've got some pink and purples. I do love these sorts of florals. She does them a lot. Different colors, different designs, but that kind is one of my favorites. And now we've got another black and white, and it does say leave white or color. Did the other one say that and I just didn't see it? It did. It said it down here in the corner. I do like the ones you can color in. It is a lot of fun to color them in, as long as you don't mess it up. I mess things up. Okay, so then we've got the gold envelope. Ooh, alright, well the gold envelope has translucent stickers, and these are in a green, and those are very pretty. Day 6. And we've got more of these peachy florals down here that I like. Day 7. Oops. We've got another black and white. Very pretty. Ugh. My shirt is annoying me. Okay, day 8. Come on. Alright, we're probably going to have to trash an envelope because it won't come out. Alright, so now we've got more of the peachy and green florals down here. I do love that set. 9. We've got more of these, which I do truly like those. And now we've got a 10. So now is this another translucent sheet in a gold? It's not another 10, it's another gold. It is. And it is this green color, which is very cool. Day 11. This is going very fast. We've got more purple and pink ones. Day 12. We are halfway through this one already. Wow. Ooh, a new set. I like these a lot. These are really pretty. Really, really pretty. Oh, this is these, but in color. These are the same. The green ones. on the translucent paper. Hey, one day at a time here. Alright, day 13. Oops. Okay, so we've got some yellow flowers, and then we've got some green and red. You know, green leaves, red flowers. These are very pretty. We've got some orange ones over here. That looks like coneflower, which is echinacea. Don't ask me what the rest are, I have no idea. I grow vegetables and very few flowers. Okay, ooh, okay, so we've got more of these pretty pink flowers, and we've got 2 little washi strips. Right? Yes. Very pretty. I'm just trying to keep, like, the different kinds together. Okay, we've got a gold one. So we have another one of these. Vellum sticker paper. So it's not completely clear, it's the vellum paper, which is really nice. So if you can tell, it's like a frosted. Okay, and we're on to day 16. And now we've got another new set. We've got purple and pink. These are really cute. Day 17. Oh, so now we've got like some red and some gold. Day 18. Oh, okay, so now this one goes with those. Very pretty. Day 19. Oh, very pretty. Very nice autumn colors. Day 20. And we've got more of these pretty vellum green stickers. And 21. And it's the same kind of thing that we had in pink and purple, but now we've got yellow, green, and blue. Kind of a yellow-green. Day 22. And we've got another one of these pink, purple, and kind of like light tan kind of days. Sheets. Okay, day 23. We have more of these pretty fall florals. And day 24. Oh, we've got another new colorway here. We've got blue and purple. Very pretty. And day 25. I can't get out. Oh, day 25 has more than one. So we've got our vellum paper green, and we've got another one of these. Aren't these pretty? Alright, so let's try to go through our sets. So we've got the black and white, which you can leave as black and white, or you can color. And that is 3 sheets. And let's see. Alright, so this one's like an individual. So we've got this one, which is very pretty. And we've got this one, which is also pretty. And then we've got 3 of these autumn type colors. I love the leaves on those. And then we've got these purple, pink, tan, like muted green leaves. Very pretty set. We've got 4 of those. And then we've got this one. And then we've got these pink ones. I'm particularly partial to these. And then we've got our gold envelope, vellum, green, florals, and greenery. We got 5 of these. And then we've got our purple and pink. And we've got 3 of these. They're all different. It's just the same, like, set. And then we've got these really pretty ones. Very, very pretty. So that is our floral 25-day advent calendar, and if I counted correctly, we got 26 sticker sheets because the last day had an extra. Alright, now we're going to open the luxury advent. So if you didn't buy both, so you stuck around to look at the floral, but you bought this one, this is your warning. You're about to be spoiled. Turn off the video. Oh. I was wondering why there was no wax seal on it. Okay, so I guess it came off, but Joe did these last year too. They were very cute, little wax seals on the outside envelope for this. Alright, so we've got 12 of these. Odd. Okay, so we've got January with a winter theme. And some of these go with stickers she released for the winter. Day 2, we've got February. Very cute. I love those bouquets. That little house. It looks like a little greenhouse, honestly. That's cute. Really, really cute. Okay, day 3. We have March. Day 4, we have April. Day 5, we have May. That's cute. I like the bird's nests. And day 6 is June. That is our camping motif. That is perfect for marking off Ray's camping trips. And July. I love the purple clouds. That's just awesome. Day 8 is August. Look at that lighthouse. Look at this porch. These are awesome. Day 9. This one's going way quicker than the other one. September. I am loving that kitchen. And the birch. She does like the best birch stickers. White birch. I have them all over my planner. It was November, I think. Or October. They're everywhere. Speaking of October, that's spooky. That looks really cool. I like the little bottles with the stoppers. The drippy candle. Okay, date 11 is November, and it's books. It's books. It's a library. Oh, I love it. I love this. This is my favorite one. Unless day 12 tops it, but that is my favorite one. That is awesome. And here is December, and as much as I like this, November is definitely my favorite. Definitely my favorite. Okay, so we've got an entire year of little themed stickers. So we've got January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. November is definitely, that's my favorite. I love that. Okay, and that is all of the advents this year from Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop. I think I saw them still available in the shop, so if you did not order them and you want these stickers, just go see if you can grab them. I think at some point she's going to close the shop for the rest of the year. I could be wrong, but I feel like my recollection is she has no more releases this year, and she may or may not, like, you know, be closing for the holidays, which she totally deserves a rest because this is awesome. Absolutely awesome. I love it. Is it better than last year? But it might be. It might be better. I don't know. Last year we had like the calendar and the scenes. So I'm pretty sure that's what we had last year. Yeah, well, some of them anyway. It was like the first 3 or 4, I think. 6? I don't know. We got some of them, and then some of them were available for purchase later on. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos. And I'll see you in the next one.